Good morning everyone, respect principal, honorable chief guest, teachers, parents and all dear friends. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. My name is Hassan Khan. Today we all have gathered here to celebrate the Independence Day of our country. Independence Day is the most important day. All the Indians, because on this day in 1947, we got independence from the British rule. This is a day to remember the freedom fighters of freedom fighters whose efforts gave us independence. We got independence with the help of many freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, and many other freedom fighters who are devoted their life for the freedom of our country. We are so lucky that our forefathers have given us a land of peace. We are so lucky that our fathers have given us a land of peace where we can enjoy life happily. We must be proud to be Indian. We must be proud to be Indian. At the end of my speech, I would like one land. East or West, India is best. Thank you.